So I got into SolidWorks through college, did a mechanical engineering, automated manufacturing course, and that's when I was first introduced to CAD. So most of my experience comes from the custom manufacturing world, mostly with sheet metal. And it ranges from anywhere from injection molding to tractor trailer chassis. Oh, well, the cliche is like knowledge is power, right? And when you're doing something for many years and you think I might be doing this a slow way, and finally you get like that aha moment, and it's just like it screams out to you. I can't believe I was doing it wrong for so many years, or the slow way, and finally this like one bit of training can save so much time. What I would say about training is take notes, practice as much as you can, and keep evolving. SolidWorks and technology keeps coming out with new stuff. It's good to stay on top of it. What I'd say is do it if your budget allows. There's nothing wrong with more training. Finally meeting a customer face to face after talking to hundreds on the tech line, putting a face to the voice, and they can do the same with me. So I do some volunteering with the church. I deal with a lot with the youth, doing some events there. I love hockey, play hockey, do video games on the side. I love racing cars, love cars, woodworking.